Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, let's start off by opening up Settings, and from here choose About Phone, tap on your animated storage right here, and on the bottom you should see your SD card. So right over here and everything below that. And obviously you can already see the format SD card option, so let's just quickly slap that, and it will give you a message that formatting will basically remove everything from that card. So if there is anything on it that you would like to keep, back it up beforehand, because you will lose it all. But assuming you have already done it, or you simply don't want to, obviously tap on Format SD card and let it run through. Now this will take about 10 seconds maybe. And once it's finished, as it is right now, click on Done, and yeah, you're completely finished with the process. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.